not trust the curry sardine. I never eat it in my life. So what you want me to tell you? Say me I love it. I not trust it. I can leave teeth and want to cook it for you.
Peeps, and you see we today is another banging adventure again. Today, I did some curry sardine. You see me? Yeah man, curry sardine, I say man. Yeah, eat ya. Ingredients for today this. Onion, all-purpose, carrot, Irish, scallion, coconut milk powder. You know it will work. Check in and see what I got. By the sweat of your bro, you shall eat.
Yes, I. Something is the greatest, you know. I plant I want to eat my eat some, I sell some, you know. You know, where you give to, because you give, you eat yourself. And you can't give everything, because take money to go to shop to buy things to eat, you know.
That's true, I don't know. I have to share some of my blessings sometime.
Yes. So, you eat some, you give some, you sell some. Work not like not with us. Pick it in us. No, with us, pick it on us. Make him move on, you know? When you get to, if you come, you come.
Yeah, better thing. The people fire they are going to catch. They don't know Rasta General they are going to pick some pear for the item. You know, a film thing them, you know? Careful, I might drop over there, sir.
Why, me that drop too?
Oh, God. Cleanliness next to godliness, people.
You never know, no, you know.
Let me see if I clean up here now. All the fire they go and catch. Onion this here, people. Remember, you know, people, I always tell them, say, them, star I show. Scotch here. Good old Scotch bonnet. Piece of time. Yeah, people know somehow, no? First, you know, in life, you know, go see curry sardine. So stay tuned and watch how I go on. Curry sardine at its best. Okay.
Biggest one them. Here.
Wow. Yeah.
What's the idea?
Yeah, no, but yeah, peeps, see it, look at. Next time you see it, now friend put it a go. Yeah, peeps, get some oil in your pot now. Yeah, peeps, burn some curry in the oil now. You are gone. Burn the curry. Throw in the thing them now. The vegetables them. Watch out, go on. Wow, smell this peep. I tell you. Mix up the coconut milk powder, you know. Just watch how I go on. Watch out, go on the people. Put little Maggie in it, you know. Them say Maggie make everything better. So them say. No me say so. So them say. Watch out, go on people. How it look? Be honest.
No, me just not trust the curry sardine. Me never eat it in my life. So you want me tell you, say me I gonna love it. Me not trust it.
Watch the rice here, you know people.
Same like curried chicken, man. Curried sardine, no chicken today. Curried chicken. No,
So
sardine.
who make curry sardine? Are you make it up, kid?
Eh?
Are you make it up?
He make it up.
Are you have to make up curry sardine because I'm never eat your boy on.
You don't never tell it bad. Not hard man, just butter and salt alone. Ready.
Yeah, people, all of the flavors them are going to incorporate and come together, you know? So, Bob, what do you think about the curry sardine?
I already, but I'm not trust this thing.
Why?
Because I never hear about it. I
Alright,
think
yeah.
never hear people that curry a goat and chicken and them something.
No sardine.
When I curry sardine.
Yeah, give it a try though.
Yeah, me test out to the theory. If you send me got toilet or something.
Alright, people. I want to hear it.
Yeah, peeps, clean up the sardine, you know. Show them what I want. Got the bone and thing. Bob say you never know about these people. See what I go on today.
So I think I want to wait if you make sardine and I will do.
Oh, just start it up for the season.
Yeah. I'll put in the bread and eat.
So you know about sardine?
Never hear about no curry sardine.
That's what I go on.
Everything for curry, you know.
Who says so?
It's so.
Cookies, I try to escape people.
Yeah, peeps. Next time you see it, from dish to pot. How it look? Watch how I go on. See how I go on, peeps? Make this simmer for the next 5 minutes. Check back on it and see how it look.
So you tell her? What you tell her?
Eh?
What you tell her?
Tell her say just then I jeans and want to get enough your out so I can't.
Oh God, man. That's a solid one.
Yeah, peeps. Bob soon go now. In like review.
Honest review.
Honest.
Fiddly.
Yeah.
Nah, certainly cook it and wait. That's half, yeah, man. Look how I go on fiddly. See that peep? Rich.
Nah, I gonna lie to you, it look good enough.
Look presentable and thing.
Well cooked.
Alright.
Oh, we are gonna taste
Yeah,
it.
peeps.
We are tasting for curry sardine. Makes sense. Alright, man, take one right there.
Talk to you, man. A smile.
Never know said sardine could have taste that.
Yeah, peeps.
Bad man, bad. Yeah man.
Yes, I love it.
If you don't know how to cook curry and have sardine, try this at home, yeah?
Fire, man. Alright. I'm new to it, people. First time I prepare it, you know, I tell you, it's shock. But know this go already.
Are you believe?
Yeah, man. I will invent the first sardine, man.
I can leave teeth and want to cook it for you.
You know, I say no Jamaican with this one. Most some Indian people. First Jamaican, this to try it. Let's be specific. It's curry coconut sardine. We still have to know if we get the flavors them incorporated together.
No man, mommy, I have to learn how to cook it for real, man. Leaving eat fish like that, but no, this actually properly have it off.
Top tier food. Yeah, peeps, a bad man. No cap. Want to know it hot?
We do it on the roadside, riverside, whichever side. Right now we're there on a rooftop. And we make Martel Adventure very own curry sardine. Never hear them things yet. So, all me tell you to do, like, share, subscribe, make sure you have the notification bell ready. For more food like this one, you never hear about in life or cook. And best believe, say them at.